Hi friends, this is G. Anusha, Senior MPC. I am from TTWREIS, Kalvakurthi from Nagar Karnool district. Before going to our topic, I would like to start with a beautiful phrase. Are you ready? Yes. Before beginning our topic, I would like to start with a beautiful phrase. That is, nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. Did you get it? Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. Means everything is possible if we think it's possibly. Means everything is possible if we think it's positively. So, be positive and think positively. So, shall we go for our class? Before going into our topic, I would like to ask few questions for you. So, next, see the slide. Here we have some pictures, that is wheel, sun, bangles and clock. Means the shape of the wheel is circle and shape of the sun is also circle and shape of the bangles is also circle and clock is also circle. Are you identified that these all are in the shape of circles only? So, today our topic is circles. Now we are going to learn about circles. Let's circles. See the slide. Now we are going to learn about circles. In the circles we have some subtopics that are center and radius of a circle, and equation of a circle and standard form of a circle. These are we are going to learn. Here we have some collection of points. The points are connected in the shape of circles. Are you identified that? The points are connected in the shape of circle. Here O is the center of the circle. Did you get it? Here O is the center of the circle and A, B, C, D. These are the any points on the circle. These are the any points on the circle. So, the distance between center of the circle to any point on the circle is known as radius. Isn't it? Yes, the center of the circle to any point on the circle, the distance is known as radius. Now, let's see the figure. Here we have a circle and here also O is the center of the circle and A, B, C, D are the any points on the circle. If and only if the distance between center of the circle to any point on the circle is radius. Means in the circle we have all radiuses are equal. Radii are equal because in the circle from the distance between center of this circle to any point on the circle is equal. Then only we take OA equals to OB equals to OC equals to R. Did you get it? Yes, OA equals to OB equals to OC equals to R because it's a radius. Radius means the distance between center of the circle to any point on the circle. Did you get it? Okay. Now, let's go for the circle definition. Circle definition. What is circle definition? The set of points in a plane such that they are equidistant from a fixed point. Isn't it? Yes. The set of points in a plane such that they are equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point is known as center of the circle. It's denoted as C. Okay, it is denoted as C and the distance between center of the circle to any point on the circle is known as radius. Now, we go for chord. Can you say what is chord? Chord means the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Did you get it? The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Any 2 points on the circle. That is called chord. That is called chord. So I think, can you say which is the largest chord? Which is the largest chord in the circle? Yes, it's a diameter. Let's see. Here we have the chord and diameter. Chord means the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is known as chord. And which is the largest chord in the circle? Yes, the largest chord in the circle is diameter, and the diameter is passes through the center of this circle. Did you get it? The diameter is passes through the center of this circle. Do you know arc? I think you are very well about what is an arc. Yes? Okay, I will say what is arc. Okay, arc means a piece of circle between 2 points. Did you get it? A piece of circle between 2 points is known as an arc. Okay, I will repeat again. We will learn about what an arc is. Okay, okay. A piece of circle between 2 points. A piece of circle between 2 points is known as an arc. An arc is also 2 types. One is the major arc and another one is the minor arc. Minor arc. The major arc is, which is the longer one, is known as major arc, while smaller one is minor arc. Did you get it? I think you are very well about an arc. Okay, a piece of circle between 2 points is known as an arc, and longer one is known as major arc, while smaller one is known as minor arc. Next we go for segment. Do you know segment? Yes, segment means the region between the chord and either of the arc is known as segment. Did you get it? Yes, the region between the chord and either of the arc is known as segment. And segment is also 2 types. One is major segment and another one is minor segment. The major segment, let's see the slide. Here look at the figure. Here we have the segment figure, and the region between the chord and either of the arc is known as segment. Here the blue part is known as major segment, while remaining part is known as minor segment. Are you understood? Okay, the major segment means which is the pillar, which is the blue part is known as major segment, while remaining part is known as minor segment. Now we go for sector. I think you know very well about sector. Do you know? Yes, sector means the region between the arc and 2 radii. Did you get it? Yes, the region between the arc and 2 radii is known as sector. Shall we go for see the picture? See here, the region between the arc and the radii is known as sector. The sector are also 2 types. One is the major sector, another one is the minor sector. Did you get it? The yellow color part is the minor sector and violet color part is the major sector. Now see here, we have one circle and diameter and radius. I said that what is radius? Radius means the distance between center of the circle to any point on the circle is known as radius, while twice of the radius is known as diameter. Did you get it? Twice means 2. So the twice of the radius is nothing but diameter. Here see the picture. D is the diameter and R is the radius. Diameter is passing through the center of this circle. Center of this circle, and radius is the distance between any point on the circle to center of this circle. And radius is denoted by small r. Here we have the circumference of this circle. Circumference of this circle is C equals to pi d. Here pi is approximately 3.14159. Did you get it? The pi value is approximately 3.14159. I think now you got the clear idea of radius, center and chord and diameter of a circle. Isn't it? Yes, I think you got the clear idea of radius, center, radius, chord and diameter. Yes, okay. Shall we go for next? Okay. Let's see the slide. Here we have the perimeter. Perimeter means the distance to travel around the edge of the circle. Yes, yes. The distance to travel around the edge of the circle is known as perimeter. Perimeter is denoted by P. So the principle of the perimeter of a circle is P equals to 2 into pi into r. In the figure we have a radius is equals to 3. Radius is equals to 3 means we have the principle for perimeter of a circle, that is P equals to 2 pi r. So here we have the radius value, that is 3. So 2 into 3 6. So perimeter of a circle is 6 units. Did you get it? Okay. The equation of a perimeter of a circle is 2 into pi into r. But we have the radius value, that is 3. So the radius of the circle is 3. So 2 into 3 equals to 6. That is perimeter of a circle is 6 pi units. Now we go for next. Let's we go for to derive the distance formula by using right angle triangle. Okay, are you ready? Okay, here we have a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here take one edge as a B, C. So A points are x1 comma y1 and B points are x2 comma y1, while C points are x2 comma y2. I think you know very well about Pythagoras principle. Do you know? Okay, Pythagoras means the adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. Did you get it? That means in the figure we have keep a points A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. So adjacent means AB is the adjacent and BC is nothing but opposite and AC is nothing but the hypotenuse. It is denoted by D in here, D here. So adjacent square, that is nothing but AB square plus opposite square, that is nothing but plus BC square, is equal to hypotenuse square, that is D square. So by using Pythagoras principle, we can prove that we can prove distance formula, that is D equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here we by using Pythagoras principle, D square equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here if you want to remove the square of the D, then we put the root of the x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then we get the distance of the 2 points D equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I think you learn very much about distance formula, how it is came. Means by using Pythagoras principle we get the distance formula. And let's see the example. Here we have a points minus 6 comma minus 7 and B points are 3 comma minus 7 and C points are 3 comma 5. So we know very well about distance formula, that is D equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here we have points A, B, C. By using distance formula, 3 minus of minus 6 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 7 whole square minus 7 whole square. Here minus, we know that minus into minus plus, yes, minus into minus is equal to plus. So 3 plus 6 is equals to 9 and 5 plus 7 is equals to 12, while 9 square is 81 and 12 square is 144. The square root of the 225 is perfect square root is 15. So the distance between 2 points is D equals to 15 we got. Yes or no? Yes. See once again. Here we have the points A points 3 minus 6 comma minus 7 and B points 5 comma 3 comma minus 7, while C points are 3 comma 5. So by using distance formula, that is D equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by using distance formula, we can prove that distance of the 2 points, that is D equals to 15. Are you understand well? Okay, shall we go for next? Okay, let's see the picture. Here we have a circle. Yes, we have a circle. The equation of a circle having the center A comma B and any point on the circle x comma y, the equation will x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Means the equation of a circle having a center A comma B and any point on the circle is x comma y is equal to x comma y. The equation will x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square, because here from O to any point on the circle is nothing but radius na. So the distance between center of the circle to any point on the circle is nothing but radius. So here we have the center A comma B and x comma y is any point on the circle. So the equation of a circle having the center A comma B and points on the circle x comma y, the equation will x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. Clearly we said that center of a circle is A comma B and radius is r. Are you understood? Okay, next let's take one example. One example to solve the problem by using standard form equation, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. Here state the center and radius of the following circle with the equation x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 16. Here we have the equation x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 16. Here we are going to know what is the points of radius and center. So by using this equation, we are going to know radius and center of the circle. Here x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 16. So we know that standard form equation very well. What is that? Yes, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. To compare with standard form equation, we will get the radius and center of this circle. So by comparing this equation to the standard form equation, we get the center and radius. Now compare that. Here x plus 1 whole square. but we know that x minus a whole square. So minus into minus plus after we get the remaining, after we get the before equation. So x minus into minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 4 square. By comparing standard form equation, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. So clearly we are seeing that in the place of a we have the minus 1 and in the place of b we have the 2. So we said that center of this circle is nothing but minus 1 comma 2. Isn't it? Yes, the center of this circle is minus 1 comma 2 and radius is 4. The perfect square root of this 16 is 4. Okay. Again once we have the equation x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 16. So by comparing standard form equation, we will get the center of the circle, center of the equation and radius. So here minus into minus plus, we know that very well. So x minus minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 4 square, because of if you do the 4 square is equals to 16. So 4 square, and compare with standard form equation, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. So we said that the center of the circle is minus 1 comma 2 and radius is 4. Now we go for next. Here we have the another example. Here state the center and radius of this radius of the following circle. The circle equation is x square plus y square equals to 25. We know very well about standard form equation, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 5 square. The x minus 0 whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square. We know very well about a minus b whole square formula. That is nothing but a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x minus 0 whole square, it will be comes to x square, because of in the place of b we have the 0. So by comparing standard form equation, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to 16 equals to r square. That is, we clearly said that the center of this circle is 0 comma 0 and radius of the circle is 5. And are you understood well? Okay, again repeat. Here we have the x square plus y square equals to 25. So we compare with standard form equation, that is nothing but x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to r square. So we clearly see that, seeing that center of this circle is 0 comma 0 while radius is 5. So shall we go for next? See here the center of this circle is 1 comma 2 and radius is 6, and we put the values in the place of center of the circle, place of h comma a comma b and r. We get the equation of that circle. So we have the point center 1 comma 2 and radius r. So see, 1 comma 2 is nothing but a comma b. So x minus a whole square, that is x minus 1 whole square, and x minus b y minus b whole square is nothing but y minus 2 whole square equals to r square is nothing but 6 square. Then the equation will be having the center 1 comma 2 and radius 6 is, the equation will x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 6 square. Now the general equation of this circle. The general equation of this circle is x square. The general equation of this circle will came from center with minus z comma minus f. So by using standard form equation, we can prove general circle equation. Here we have minus z. So minus into minus equal to plus. So x minus minus z whole square plus y minus minus f whole square equals to r square. So minus into minus plus. So x plus z whole square plus y plus f whole square equals to r square. X plus z whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x plus z whole square equals to equal to x square plus g square plus 2gx, while y plus f whole square is equal to y square plus f square plus 2fy and equals to r square. Here we have the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g square plus f square minus r square equals to 0. Here these are the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy, these are the variables, and g square plus f square minus r square is the constant term. So constant term c equals to g square plus f square minus r square. So in the place of g square plus f square minus r square, we put the c, then the general circle equation will form. That is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Did you get it? Yes, the equation of this circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here I said that g square plus f square minus r square is equals to c because of it's a constant term. So r square equals to g square plus f square minus c. If you remove the square of the r, then we put the square under root of the g square plus f square minus c. And here the center of the circle is minus g comma minus f, and radius of the circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Did you understood? As the equation of this circle, g square plus f square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. It is came from the center minus g comma minus f. So we know that standard form, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. Here we have the center minus g comma minus f, that are the a comma b values. So minus into minus plus x plus g whole square plus we have the x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square equals to r square. So the x plus g whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square form. So a plus b whole square form is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus g square plus 2gx plus y square plus f square plus 2fy equals to 0. So the equation of this circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. And center is clearly we said that minus g comma minus f, and radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. And we have the some condition that are in the general circle equation, the coefficient of x square equals to coefficient y square. Did you get it? Yes, the coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square, and the coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square equals to must be 1. And also another condition is the coefficient of xy is equals to 0. These are the two conditions for general circle equation. Now we go for general circle equation. By completing the square, we get this standard form equation. So we know very well about general circle equation. g square plus f square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here, by completing the square, we can write x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square minus g square minus f square plus c equals to 0. Why we write minus g square plus minus g square minus f square? Because of if you the x plus g whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. If you write that in the form of a plus b whole square, that x square plus g square plus 2gx, the g square will be cancelled when we add the minus g square. Did you get it? Okay. So, if you want to get the previous equation, you should must and add the minus g square and minus f square. So, here by completing the square, x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So, that is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Clearly, we say that the center of this circle is minus g comma minus f, and radius is r equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now, we go for next. These are the examples belongs to that. And now, the equation of this circle having the center on y-axis, the equation will be in the form of x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Because of on the y-axis we have the x coordinates are equals to 0. We know very well. Are you understand? Okay. The equation of this circle having the center on y-axis, the equation will x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. And now the equation of this circle having the center on x-axis, the equation will x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equals to 0. Because of, I think you are ready to say that, yes, on the x-axis we have the y coordinates are equals to 0. Did you get it? Okay, now a quick recapitulation. Today we learn about definition of a circle and center of a circle and radius of a circle and chord of a circle. I think you know very well, and I think you learn very much about. And mathematics is the king of all the sciences, as it is correlated with other subject, isn't it? Yes, mathematics is the king of all the sciences and as it is correlated with other subject. Yes, okay. And now today we learn about this definition of a circle and center of a circle and radius of a circle, and which are the belongs to circles and which are belongs to sphere. I think you know very well the difference between sphere and circle. I said that the difference between sphere and circle is sphere has some space and while circle has some plane. That is the difference between that. And let's think about some example. I think you are very much understood that our topic about circles. So let's think about some example objects that are in the shape of circles. Okay. Circle. Can you say what are some more examples that is in the shape of circles? Okay. Bangles. Ladies like bangles a lot. So the shape of the bangles is in the shape of circle. And daily we want to go somewhere. Then we use vehicles. Then the shape of the wheel of the vehicle is also in the shape of circle. And these all belongs to circles. And in the chapter circle, we must and should use the thinking power. Means whatever it may be question, we should understand the question and you should construct a diagram for that question. Then you get the answer easily. I hope that whatever it may be, if you want to learn something, you should come from the basics, isn't it? Yes, whatever it may be, do you want to learn something, you should come from the basics. The basics are most important, because of if you have the basics, if you know the basics very well, the topic is very easy to learn and it is very easy to get the concept. Thank you for giving this opportunity. I didn't expect it, but our Dr. R.S. Praveen Kumar sir, I got it. So I thank for our secretary sir, dynamic secretary sir, Dr. R.S. Praveen Kumar sir, and TSAT program. I am very thankful and thankful a lot to everyone, and I thank you for all from bottom of my heart. Thank you a lot.